Unveil your inner artist with our makeup tutorials. From everyday glam to stunning transformations, join us on a journey of beauty and self-expression. Let's paint perfection together. Get ready to glow with our easy light glam makeup tutorial. Achieve a luminous look that's effortlessly radiant, perfect for any occasion. Let's shine, beauties. Indulge in latte-inspired makeup. Warm neutrals and creamy shades blend for a cozy yet chic look. Brew up elegance and sip on style with this tutorial. Elevate your summer nights with sultry glam. Radiate under the moon with shimmering hues and bold accents, creating a captivating look that embraces the enchantment of the season. Dive into elegance with dark watercolor makeup. Blend deep, ethereal hues for a mysterious and artistic look that's as mesmerizing as the depths of the ocean at night. Turn up the heat with cherry glam makeup. Rich reds, sultry shades, and fierce vibes come together for a look that's as sweet as it is stunning. Let's glam it up. Like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.